Jessica, the prosecution knew that the 15-year statute of limitations would be a major hurdle in this case, but they had hoped that the defendant's significant out-of-state and out-of-country travel might pause the clock. As we learned in court today, evidently that is not the case. The attorney for accused rapist Ivan Chung had been planning to argue a motion to dismiss counts relating to 2 of his 4 alleged victims. But before that could happen,
the affected counts have been null prossed. So the motion, I guess, would not be before the court.
Null pros means the Commonwealth is not moving forward with charges for 2 of Chung's alleged victims, 2 adult women who prosecutors say were raped by Chung in 2005 and 2006 in Boston. The charges are being dropped because the statute of limitations has expired.
Our position on that was and remains that even if those counts themselves can't go to trial because of the statute of limitations, that the relevance has to do with the pattern of conduct and MO.
Chung was a vice president at State Street when he was arrested last year as a result of a new Boston police initiative to revisit cold case rapes, including testing DNA evidence with new, sophisticated DNA technology, as reported on by 5 Investigates. The remaining charges against Chung are for 2 underage victims, ages 13 and 14, who prosecutors say were raped in 2003. Those cases are within the statute, but a complicating factor for the prosecution is that there is no DNA evidence in those cases.
Through discovery, only one of those alleged victims is sort of currently cooperating with the investigation. Only one of those alleged victims testified before the grand jury. The other has just been interviewed.
Chung left the courthouse and remains free on bail. As of now, this case is scheduled for trial in January, but the defense is already working on a motion to dismiss the remaining counts. Reporting live at Suffolk Superior Court in Boston, Todd Keskiewicz, WCVB News Center 5.